We don't have a bad carburetor in our car. So let's take a look. Where can be weakest points of an old carburetor? Patrick's garage. So, and main thing where we have to look. This is first place where gasoline comes. This is valve of flow chamber, and how we can check it without, of course, without removing some of our flow chamber, maybe with vacuum like this. So when we put upside down like this, float close our valve and we can check it with vacuum. So it's be very dangerous when this valve a little bit cheating. So of course, what worn be also inside main jet, you see also can be worn this needle and main jet, throttle shaft, you know. This is shaft maybe made out from brass, maybe made out from steel because it's little bit rusty there. But you know these bushings which build it into the aluminum body, they made out of steel. These two bushings inside. So they made so that we can replace couple times this shaft if it worn, maybe. Yes, this is made out from steel. It's not good. Maybe will be better when this made out from brass. In older models, yes, this is steel. In older models, this shaft was made out of brass, and where also this carburetor can be worn. This is temperature compensator. Also inside the valve can be stocking, and this valve not be tapered from the edge because they worn from hard working. Our temperature compensator wears out with the age, but so hard to find in good condition these parts. So they're not so cheap. So will be better to check them before you buy the carburetor. So you see this is in good shape. Yeah. Tapered plug, so in good condition. Also we can look inside the cold start device. Surface inside should be good. Here also we can check this surface of this bolt, small bolt. If here worn, maybe carburetor so old, and we can open. This is also weakest point if you have the carburetor with adjustable needle. If we have adjustable needle in the carburetor, always from time to time we look here, we check the level of transmission oil. Here we use transmission oil, but if you have no red transmission oil, special carburetor's oil also useful and more convenient carburetor oil, because it sold in special bottles, plastic bottles. So, but I'm using red transmission oil. Here we look inside. This is needle. In the bottom, you know if it's adjustable carburetor, ring, rubber ring, O-ring, and from here oil can goes out under the needle. And maybe not so important to say, but this is a rubber diaphragm, also should be in good condition. This is the main thing, but this is not expensive. If you have old carburetor, you can buy it. If you put it in correct position, all be working good. Here, these holes, vacuum, depression if you want, goes from the intake manifold. Right here it goes here in suction chamber. So when depression increases, these pistons, this piston lifts up. This piston lifts up. So we step on the gas. When we step on the gas, we open the throttle. So our vacuum goes here, and gasoline, a lot of gasoline goes from this main jet. This is also can be worn in latest models carburetors, and this needle also can be worn. So these points where we should look more closely. Wiggling a little our shaft, it's not play, because of this reliable construction. You see, this bushing is also good. Maybe when they made this shaft from steel will be better, but in old models this shaft was made out from brass, where we can find also weak points. Here, surface. This surface inside of our cold start device, these surfaces here, I can show you. This surface should be in good condition. Additional gasoline can go from these worn surfaces. So check them when you buy a new carburetor. This surface. All the rest parts can be cleaned and restored. What interesting in the suction chamber? What interesting in the flow chamber? We are unscrewing the screws of the flow chamber, disassembling all our carburetor completely, because we need to check more closely in which condition our carburetor. So maybe this is not so good carburetor as they think. A seller suggests for us a piece of crap sometimes. It can be. So we look at the carburetor. More important to check carburetor before you bought the carburetor. So spend a little time to check it more closely. Of course, if seller allow to do it. Here is main thing, our valve. If it warms, float chamber can be floated, and will be danger or fire. Can be fire from the carburetor. This float not so good because it's warm. Main jet, it goes to our cold start system. So maybe this is good carburetor if we replace this float. Check this valve and clean all the carburetor completely. Now, thanks for watching.